Calise here. So I just got done watching a slime video, and I'm going to just show you guys how to make slime. These are home ingredients. What you'll be needing is, these home? Yep, these are home ingredients. So what you'll be needing is, I already have some slime in here right now. It's made out of body wash and baking soda. You can't play with this in your hands. You can't, but you can like touch it and everything like that, and it won't stick to your hands. But you can't like play with it. Now today I'm going to be doing a slime video. What you'll be needing, oh gosh, what you'll be needing, sorry guys, oh gosh, all this slime is in there, and now I just gotta take it all out. Okay, what you'll be needing is something to mix in. I'm just using this little lid, and then you'll be needing something to mix with. I'm just going to be using this. Some glue. I'm using Elmer's glue, Elmer's school glue. I'm sure you can use any kind of glue, like clear glue and glitter glue, but I'm using white glue, white school glue. So let's go. And then the other things you'll be needing is some salt and some water. So first, what you want to do is pour as much as glue as you want into your little thing. Am I doing this? Oh, this never works for me. Okay, there we go. Now open your glue and pour as much as glue as you want. I put this much. See? Okay, now what you will be needing is some salt and some water. Oh gosh. There was a bug on me. Don't know what kind though. It was a flea. Well, I think because I was holding my dog. Okay, where did I put that at? Now, can you guys tell me where I put that? Oh, there it is. I slid it. Okay, put some water. You don't want to put too much water. We'll put it in the bowl, which I just put it in this little bowl. Which first I was supposed to put a little bit of salt. It does not really depend how much salt you put in. It doesn't really depend. Going to take the salt, and I'm putting it in there. See, yes. I don't know if you guys can see that salt. Yeah. See. Now pour some of that salt in there. And do not mix this up when you're done with this. Do not mix this salt up. You want to put enough salt as you think that's enough. Now, wash that out. Put a little bit of water. Put as much as water as you put as the salt. Do not mix that up. Uh-oh. I got it on my table. But now, just let it sit for a couple minutes. Okay? Pour that salt out, like that water. Out. Let's go to my room, guys. Okay. Let's go to my room. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Now, I'll be right back, okay? Okay, I'm back. So, did you let that sit? Okay. Now pour the... What's up, Mom?
What you doing?
Doing a video.
Anybody come back?
Nope.
I want to see this.
Yep, I just looking at pocket for Okay, I'll be out in about 5 minutes, okay? Give me a second. Please not come in. Okay. So pour that liquid out. With the water and stuff like. Huh? Now mix that. See if that formed. Did it form? That's my question. Okay, mine did not form because I probably did it wrong, but I will do another video of this. Now what I'm just going to do is add some detergent to this. Cause I put a lot of glue. So add some detergent. Like a couple drops. Come on, one more drop. Okay. Now mix that up, okay? Oh gosh, got that on there. Now mix that up. Is it forming? Mine is totally forming. See. Just mix that. Okay, this was my own. I made this up. I just added something to it. That's all. Okay. Just keep mixing it. Keep mixing it until it picks up everything. Is it sticky? So this is really cool slime that I just made. I'm so excited about it. Okay, I'm sure this is supposed to be sticky, but knead it in your hands for a little while. Oh gosh, it's very, very sticky. I'm sure if you knead it in your hands, then it will form mostly more into slime. Actual slime. It forms more and more and more. It's very, very, like, stretchy. You can make this slime at home. I'm sure you guys can make this slime at home because lots of people have washing detergent to wash their clothes. Any kind of washing detergent works. You guys have bowls and spoons and stuff like that. You guys have glue for arts and crafts and stuff like that. And you guys have salt to put in your food. guys have that. You guys have water to drink. Any kind of water works. And yeah, this slime will form. The only time it will form is when you add that detergent. That's like the main power that you add to make this slime. So mine's is not sticky anymore. It's kind of a little sticky, but when I started kneading it, it was not wet like the other ones were. I mean, I don't want it to be wet, but yeah. So yeah, that's how you make that slime. You want to, okay, so this is the ingredients. Get a bowl, something to mix in, and then another bowl, and then you want 2 bowls, and one thing to mix in with. Mix with. And then what you want to get is salt, some water, and some glue, and some detergent. First, pour your glue, then pour your salt. Do not mix it up next. Do not. And then pour as much as water as you pour as your salt. And then you want to let that sit for a couple minutes. And about 5 minutes, when that's done, just pour the water out and mix that up, and then pour your detergent. Okay. If that's forming into slime, then you could try picking it up and everything and playing with it. But if you want it to be more and more slimy, then add some detergent. Okay. So that's how you make this really cool, awesome, super duper slime that you can play with in your hand and you can make at home or anywhere else. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and comment down below and tell me if this did not work for you, and I'll make you another slime video that you guys can actually do at home, that you guys have at home. Okay, so comment down below and tell me what other videos you guys want me to do. Okay, thank you, and bye-bye.